Hello again and welcome to the BBC's Tests in Comedy. We're now on to part 42-Q, Animals. Here we have some archive footage of a monkey skipping about there, picking up a leaflet. Quite humorous, as you can see. Now he's actually starting to chew at this little leaflet and looking behind him, to which he sees a predatory being, or a dog. He's a bit apprehensive, turning his back away, and the dog sniffs his posterior, to which the monkey absconds. He's gone, and so be it. Did you actually find that clip funny? Let's see that clip again, only this time with canned laughter.